Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to compare pages side by side, review PDFs, add comments and mark up documents in Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat includes powerful review tools that help you navigate documents, collaborate with others and add annotations, highlight text, draw shapes and provide feedback directly inside PDF files. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use split view, comments, and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, using split view in Adobe Acrobat, like open your PDF, navigate to the section you need to compare, like split viewing is especially useful for long documents. Open a second view of the document, like window, and then go to new window. Adobe Acrobat will open another view of the same PDF. Both windows display the same documents independently. Okay, so arrange the windows side by side, like window type, and then or manually position both windows next to each other. You can now compare different pages, review revisions, and reference one section while editing another. Okay, so navigate independently, like scroll through different pages in each window. Okay, and for example, page 2 on the left, page 30 on the right. So this allows quick comparisons without constant scrolling. You can now use comment tool, like open the comments workspace, select all tools and then add comments from here. As you can see, this opens Acrobat commenting toolbar. Most review features are located here. So add sticky notes, okay, then click anywhere in the documents, okay, and type your feedback, questions or suggestions. Okay, so now use the markup tools, like draw and mark up the PDF. Like Acrobat includes markup tools such as freehand drawing, okay, as you can see here, lines, arrows, okay, circles, polygons. So use these tools to point out areas that need attention, and save and share the reviewed PDF at the end. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.